Hi, honeys. How's your day going? Mine is going fine. I was driving like 5 miles an hour in all this snow. Looks like a blizzard out there. But anyway, I'm going to try this pizza maker again, but I'm going to cook a rising crust pizza in it this time. We're going to see if this crust will rise up too much for the coils. And I got this from Walmart. It's a great value brand. First time trying it. I usually buy home run in. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I'll be using my Hamilton Beach pizza maker, and I'm cooking this rising crust pizza, frozen pizza. And I have a baking mat on the pizza maker turntable. I got this from Amazon. So I'm putting this right in the center. And you know I'm going to doctor up this pizza. I have this bell pepper, this little piece of bell pepper in my freezer. So some of that is going on here. Y'all know you can freeze whole bell peppers. And I don't want no onion on my pizza. I don't throw away nothing. I got some black olives somewhere. But I'm going to see how this does first. So I'm saving that little piece. Put it back in the freezer. I got some Italian style cheese. Extra cheese on here. I guess this is a lot. That's good. And season it. Oregano leaves. Just a little. Basil, a little parsley. It's mainly for color. I want my black pepper at. Black pepper. I won't put no red pepper on it. Okay. It in. I forgot what I'm supposed to set it on, and I misplaced my booklet again. I'm gonna set it on 5 for, let me read this. Let me see. Hold on. Say 400 degrees for 21 to 23 minutes. I'm setting it on 5 for 20 minutes. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm going to cut this box like I do. I'll just put the pizza back in here. We had a good time in church. So I'm staying here and watch it until I really know how this thing cooks. I've only cooked in it 2 or 3 times. I'm not that used to it yet. That's how I do my box. I'll just put the pizza in here. I will be back. See how it's going around. So glare. Okay, I'll be back. Look how this pizza looks, y'all. And this thing is smoking again. So I don't know what's going on. it's been cooking for 30 minutes. I had to put some more time on it. So I'm going to open this up and check and see what's going on. I don't want that steam to burn me. Wow, look at that. Ooh, look at that, y'all. And it actually smells like a pizzeria restaurant. Yeah, it's rising. I'm going to let it stay in a little longer. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. I was hoping the rising crust wouldn't hit the top coil. And it doesn't, and I see that it's browning quite nicely. Look at that. So, when I think that crust is fully done what it's supposed to be doing, then I'll stop it. So far it's been 30 minutes. So I got another 5 minutes on here. So I'll see. Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to stop this thing. So it's cooked for 35 minutes. It's getting ready to ding. My little spatula. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yes. Let me see that. Put it in the box. Let me see. So the crust did rise. Oh, it's lightly browned. Let me get this thing. And I'm not going to ever cut on my baking mat. I ain't messing up my stuff. Plus it has fiberglass in it. So I don't want no fiberglass in my food. Look at that. Look at that. Let me take a picture of this pizza. It looks so good. And it smells wonderful. This is my finished pizza. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. I can't stress that enough. Let me see if I can cut it holding this. No, I have to put this back on the tripod. Okay, I want a good thumbnail. Okay, I'm going to slice it. Let's see how the bottom of the crust looks. This pizza was, I think it was $2.88. It's a Walmart brand pizza. I got it mainly for the rising crust. I wanted to try that out. Because I could have got the giorno, but I didn't want to spend that much. It's like $7 or $8. So $2 is fine with me. I like the dark cheese. See how it looks. Yes, it's brown. Hot. See that? It's a little light right here in the center. That's okay. I want this other black piece of cheese over here. Nice. Yum, yum, yum. Let me get this extra piece of sausage that fell off. Okay, this is how I do I love this little pizza maker, y'all. Okay. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if some of my church folks are watching me, hey y'all, thanks for watching. Bye. Have a blessed day.